this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Mimo app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to download the right Mimo app, then let me show you how you can do it step by step. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so Mimo is one of the best apps that you can learn coding and programming, and to download it, just go to your Play Store on your Android smartphone and then tap on search here or app here, and then just search Mimo here and tap on this icon to search, and you can see we have Mimo option here. So if you open it, this is the icon, and at the time of recording this app has over 650,000 reviews with a star rating of 4.7, and currently it is over 29 MBs with over 10 million downloads. Go ahead and make sure it is from Mimo Learn to Code provider or company. So go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Mimo app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can proceed from here and open it, or if you go to your apps, you should be able to see Mimo app here. So that's how you can download the right version of Mimo app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.